Hey guys, quick explainer. You probably heard about HWID spoofer tools that claim to change your hardware ID so you can avoid bans. Sounds tempting, but here's the reality. First, it can include malware, steal account data, or break your system even if they work. Using them can permanently ban accounts. Second, there's no free guaranteed and detectable solution. Claims like to red flags. Real protection comes from good and reliable HWID spoofer providers. For example, Zyntec Spoofer. Now, let me show you how to purchase Zyntec Spoofer. Alright, guys, I'm into the Zyntec services website. I'll scroll down. Let's find HWID Spoofer. Click that. HWID Spoofer. Click this. They have 30 days in lifetime. It supports Windows 10 and 11 instant delivery, and this is all the information you need to do. And now let's click buy it now. And what you want to do here is you just want to put your payment information in and then a phone number or email to send the key to.
I'm just going to open the loader. Click Continue. Then I'm going to click on Spoof All option. And then I'm going to click Permanent Spoof. Great. That is all you guys need to do to fix those issues in bans. Check comments for link. If this video helped you and you want to learn more information, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.